everybody, it's Jessica Storts with Storts Wellness, and I'm here making my smoothie. I just jogged about 5 miles, and I want to express the importance of drinking your protein immediately after you work out. Studies show that when you do that, within the first half an hour after working out, that you retain more muscle, burn more fat, you actually lose more weight, and you have a better blood pressure and weight loss. So it's really important to get that protein in immediately after working out, which is why I'm making it now. So today we're going to make a tropical green smoothie. I gotta tell you, I don't love green smoothies because sometimes the spinach can taste a little funny, but this actually is one that I really love and the flavor is great. So let's get started.
So first you take the almond milk and you add about 10 to 12 ounces. You can use any kind of milk, but I prefer almond milk and I prefer 12 ounces of almond milk. Next, you want 2 scoops of vanilla protein. We prefer the Shaklee brand, soy protein. It has 20 grams of protein, vegan, non-GMO, dairy-free, great product. So look for the link if you would like to check that one out, but that is the protein that we prefer. Next, you want to add about a half a cup of bananas. We use frozen bananas, so we don't have to add ice. And then a half a cup of frozen pineapple. Again, you can freeze those ahead of time, or you can buy pre-frozen. And then a handful of spinach. This just depends on how much you want. We put it in whole, but you're welcome to chop it if you'd like. Then we're just going to blend it here.
So that's it, our green smoothie is made and my toddler's ready. Be sure to subscribe to this channel and be on the lookout for more of these smoothie videos and how to do your own smoothie workshop at home where you prep 14 of these ahead of time, have them in your freezer, and all you have to do is add them to the blender with a little milk and blend, which makes a quick breakfast in the morning when you're busy or on the go. So you guys be sure to subscribe, and this is Jessica Storts with Storts Wellness, helping you maximize your time, health, and finances so you guys can live more intentionally in the moments of life. You have a great day.